The Samsung side-by-side food showcase refrigerator is a counter-depth design and allows for easy organizing and access to your favorite foods and drinks. Starting with the inner case, it opens with LED lighting, a glass shelf on top which is removable. You then have this three-way shelf which you can slide halfway, or you can push it all the way back like so. And this is great for storing any tall bottles or any tall items that you have, or you can just use it as a full shelf. Next, you have three humidity controlled bins which are for your fruits and vegetables, and the last one has a little lift up window so you can just put your hand in instead of pulling the whole drawer out. And here is your water filter, which needs to be replaced every 6 months. And here is a fully stocked fridge, and like you can see here, like the vegetable drawers are pretty big and deep, so we've managed to fill it up quite a bit. So the door holds 6 bins, and it looks like this when it's fully stocked. I'm just going to show you these by opening the showcase door. There is a metal cooling door, and you have 3 smaller bins on top. These are easily removable for cleaning. And then you also have these removable dividers in here, which you can use if you have smaller, slimmer items or bottles, and not use it, or just push it back if you have large bottles or cartons. So like here we've got 2 huge milk bottles in there. Okay, next then you have 2 large pull-out drawers which also have a multi-purpose supporter which can be used for upright items, or if you want to lay down a bottle on one side and stand up jars or bottles on the other side. This is pretty convenient. So like we lay down this Coke bottle here. And the last one is a smaller bin, but it's perfect for snacks, and it's great if you have any little kids around the house that are always looking in the fridge for snacks. They can just open the showcase door and take out their snacks instead of constantly opening the main fridge door. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the freezer now. You have a removable glass shelf on top. And here is a power freeze drawer for items that need fast or quick freezing or need to be chilled really quickly. Here you have 3 glass shelves, and then you have 2 pull-out bins, and the last one has a little lift-up window, and you can see that the bins are quite deep. On the inside door you have the ice bucket, which is easy to remove and put back. You just clip these sides and you'll see that's where the ice goes. Just pop it back in, and then you have 3 removable bins. The control panel is located on the outside of the freezer door. The freezer button lets you change the temperature simply by tapping it, anything between -15 to -23 Celsius. And if you hold the freezer button down for 3 seconds, it lets you turn on the power freeze function. If you want to freeze something very quickly, if you, for example, left the door open in the freezer, or if you just brought some groceries and you quickly need to get them into the freezer and stop them from getting spoiled, then you'll use that function. And here is your energy saver button. Okay, on the opposite side you'll have the fridge temperature control settings, and holding it down for 3 seconds will turn on the power cool, similar to the power freeze button. And then you'll have the alarm button, which you can turn on and off. If you leave the fridge open for more than 2 minutes, then it will bleep. And holding it down for 3 seconds changes the temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And you also have 2 buttons to choose your choice of cubed ice or crushed ice. And the last one is the ice maker button, and you'll just turn this off if you want to stop the machine from making any ice. And holding this button down for 3 seconds turns on the control lock function. This is to lock the display and also the dispenser buttons, so if you have any small hands around the house that just love pushing buttons, this is a great feature to have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more reviews, tips and tricks.